Hello, welcome. This is Jane. Welcome to Showtime. Today, I hope to share a topic that is English learning, especially the part about vocabulary. Do you want to know what is the best way for you to increase your vocabulary quickly? I have implemented an experiment last month. I tried to remember 15 new words each day and stuck to it for the last month. I have almost write down 400 new words on my notebook. And on the last day of the month, I estimated that I have remembered at least 200 of them. If you're interested in how I did it, I would be happy to share you step by step. First, I will select the new words which I like from the article I read or the videos I watch. And then I write them down on my notebook. And the words displayed on screen are my study records for the last month. And you will see the words are arranged in columns. Yes, I use this way. I like this way because it's easy for me to see on which day I didn't study hard or I didn't complete my tasks. And the second step is I download an word memorization application on my phone. And I input the new words that I learned this day. And I review them in the fragmented time. For example, the time go to the toilet or the time waiting for my friends. And the third step, I will review them before going to bed. And you can see there are many check marks in front of the words, right? That means I know the pronunciation and meaning of the words. But there is a tip for you. If you run into the words you don't know the pronunciation or you don't know meaning, don't worry, because you will see these new words on your words memorization application the next day. And the fourth step is also the last step. The next day, you do step 1 to 3, and then you will notice that you have known some new words that you didn't know yesterday. Or you are more familiar with the words and you can make a simple sentence quickly with it. That's it. That is the way I use to increase my words. It works on me, and I hope it can help you. Leave a comment below if you want to find friends to study English and improve together. This is Jane. See you next time.